आरामः कल्पवृक्षाणां विरामः सकलापदाम् अभिरामस्त्रिलोकानां रामः श्रीमान् स नः प्रभुः. आरामः विसर्ग changes to jihvamoolia. Kalpavrikshanam is a compound word. Aramah kalpavrikshanam because of sandhi. Viramah. Now kalpavrikshanam means an anuswara followed by va. So it becomes kalpavrikshanam viramah because of sandhi. Visarga changes to s. Sakala apadam. Sakalapadam is a compound word. Viramas sakalapadam because of sandhi. Abhiramah bhasmah pranah visarga changes to su there. Trilokanam is a compound word. Abhiramas trilokanam because of sandhi. Ramah visarga changes to shu there. Shriman Rama Shriman because of sandhi. Saha visarga is dropped because of sandhi. Naha visarga changes to upadhamaniya. Prabhuhu bhasmah pranah naf prabhuhu because of sandhi. आरामः कल्पवृक्षाणां विरामः सकलापदाम् अभिरामस्त्रिलोकानां रामः श्रीमान् स नः प्रभुः. तरुणौ रूपसम्पन्नौ सुकुमारौ महाबलौ पुण्डरीकविशालाक्षौ क्षीरकृष्णाजिनाम्बरौ. Tarunau, Rupasampannau is a compound word. Sukumarau is a compound word. Mahabalau is a compound word. Pundarika Vishalakshau is a compound word. Chira Krishna Jinambarau is a compound word. Tarunau Rupasampannau Sukumarau Mahabalau Pundarika Vishalakshau Chira Krishna Jinambarau. Phalamoolashinau Dantau Tapasau Brahmacharinau Putrau Dasharathasyaitau Bhratarau Ramalakshmanau. Phalamoola Ashinau. Phalamoolashinau is a compound word. Pha is Mahapranah. Dantau, Tapasau, Brahmacharinau is a compound word. Putrau, Dasharathasya, Tha Smahapranah, Etau, Dasharathasyaitai because of sandhi. Bhratarau, Bha Smahapranah, Ramalakshmanau is a compound word. Phalamoolashinau Dantau Tapasau Brahmacharinau Putrau Dasharathasyaitau Bhratarau Ramalakshmanau. Sharanyau Sarvasattvanam Shreshthau Sarvadhanushmatam Rakshah Kulanihantarau Trayetanno Raghuttamau. Sharanyau Sarvasattvanam is a compound word. Shreshthau Dhas Mahapranah. Sarvadhanushmatam is a compound word. Dhas Mahapranah. Rakshah Kula Nihantarau is a compound word. Trayetam Naha. Trayetam ends in Anuswara followed by Na. So it becomes Trayetan Naha because of sandhi. Naha becomes no because of sandhi. Raghu Uttamau. Raghuttamau is a compound word. Sharanyau Sarvasattvanam Shreshthau Sarvadhanushmatam Rakshah Kulanihantarau Trayetanno Raghuttamau. Attasajja Dhanusha Vishusprushau Akshayashuga Nishanga Sanginau Rakshanaya Mama Ramalakshmanau Agrataf Pathi Sadaiva Gacchatam. Atta Sajja Dhanushau is a compound word. Dha is Mahapranah. Ishusprushau is a compound word. Atta Sajja Dhanusha Vishusprushau because of sandhi. अक्षय आशुग अक्षयाशुग निषंग संगिनौ all together is a compound word. Rakshanaaya mama Ramalakshmanau is a compound word. Agrataha visarga changes to upadhmaniya. Pathi thas mahapranah. Agrataf pathi because of sandhi. Sada eva sadaiva because of sandhi. Gacchatam cha is mahapranah. आत्तसज्जधनुषा विषुस्पृशौ अक्षयाशुगनिषङ्गसङ्गिनौ रक्षणाय मम रामलक्ष्मणौ अग्रतः पथि सदैव गच्छताम्.